I am Mohan, Director of Product Marketing here at Informatica. I'm going to provide you an introduction to Master Data Management, or MDM in short, and we'll specifically look into Informatica's MDM solution. Today, every organization is going through some form of transformation. Every organization is in the process of reinventing itself through the use of digital technology to improve performance. Digital transformation has become a top priority for many organizations. When you closely watch, there are three key trends that stand out about this transformation. Every organization is innovating around new ways to engage with their customers, introduce new and innovative products and services, or they are entering new operating models that they never tried before. All these key undertakings have some of the common goals, and they are around improving the efficiency, improving decision making, improving customer satisfaction that lead to profitability and success of that organization. While data plays a key role in every organization, master data plays a critical role in your digital transformation initiative. Master data, by definition, is a single authoritative view of business critical data that you can rely on. It removes disparate, duplicated, and conflicting information you have in your organization. For instance, Rob Barnes and Robert Barnes are the same person, and oftentimes your sales and marketing applications keep a separate copy, making it extremely hard for you to understand it is, after all, the same customer. MDM allows you to remove this conflict and helps you create a trusted and governed view that can help you deliver better customer experiences, make confident decisions using analytics, deliver omni-channel consistency, and ensure accurate regulatory reporting. Let's spend a few minutes to understand the impact of bad data. The financial impact of bad data is huge. According to Gartner, the average impact of poor data quality on an organization is in the range of $9.7 million, and that's just in one single year. Harvard Business Review published an article that shows bad data costs $3 trillion per year here in US alone. While all these stats tell you how big is the impact of bad data, we are also seeing 1 in every 2 organizations has no single view of customers, products, suppliers, or any other key data assets across the channels they operate. This can easily lead them to be extremely inefficient and make redundant and repetitive work instead of focusing on driving business towards the right direction. So what is getting in the way of achieving your goals? Let's talk about customer data for simplicity. We hear about 3 key challenges most of the times. Number 1, bad data plays a key role. So if you're asking why can't I get a clean and consistent customer information, that's probably because bad data. Gartner says bad data is costing companies 30% of their total revenue. Number 2 reason, data silos have a big role to play. If you're wondering why can't I see our customer's total relationship with the company, it's mostly because 95% of the enterprise data is unusable because it's not integrated according to Forrester. Poor visibility is the third factor. If you ask why can't I access all customer transactions and interactions in one place, it's because you don't have all the data you need for operational and analytical needs in one place. Just by increasing data usability by 10%, the average Fortune 1000 company could boost revenue by $2 billion. Imagine what can you achieve if you consolidate all the relevant data in one single place. Not only this, the information about your customers is constantly changing. According to research from Dun & Bradstreet, 27% of data degrades every year. And if you look into what happens over 2 to 3 years, all the data in your organization has become irrelevant. These statistics are mind-boggling. More than 5,000 people change job in a year. 2,700 plus people move from one address to the other, and close to 500 people get married, and around half of them get divorced in the same time frame. All this means you have a constantly changing data about your customers. If you look at the B2B side, there are changes happening there too. 240 companies change address, 150 of them change phone numbers. There are more companies closing the door than new companies opening. All this certainly contribute to the bad data in your organization, and if you do not monitor and take corrective actions, your systems are constantly getting outdated. While the data is deteriorating faster than ever before, the application landscape in the organization is also growing exponentially complex. In the old world, we had master data scattered across few key applications such as ERP, CRM, and some of the legacy applications that companies were managing their data in. Today, an organization has an average of more than 1,000 applications. These applications include traditional enterprise resource planning systems, customer relationship management systems, and new marketing and sales and social media and other type of applications. This means there is more fragmentation of data than ever before, making it extremely hard for organizations to get a control on that data. Master data management creates a trusted view of your customer data by removing the fragmentation across your marketing, sales, services, e-commerce, and other applications. It picks the most up-to-date and reliable information about customers from these sources and helps you create an enriched view of customer so you can understand them better. Their contact information, demographic information, households, preferences, product purchases, channels she is shopping, and more can also be understood. This trusted view can then be used across the enterprise, as MDM allows you to make this data easily accessible by the right people and systems. You can also feed this data to your analytical applications. MDM can create a 360 view from your internal systems in marketing, sales, services, as well as external data sources. Your organization may have data residing in on-premise systems or on the cloud. You may even have data coming to you from third-party systems such as Dun & Bradstreet, Axiom, IMS, etc. MDM creates an intelligent 360 view from all this data and allows you to feed reliable, trustworthy, and governed data to your data consumers. These consumers may include your data warehouse and data lake environments, analytic applications such as Tableau, Qlik, etc., e-commerce applications, or applications that your business partners have outside of your firewall. Irrespective of where your data is coming from or going to, MDM helps you manage the end-to-end data flows. There are a number of key capabilities that a mature master data management solution provides you. Let's spend a few minutes on understanding those important capabilities. First capability is discover. You need to be able to find where your master data resides. For example, which of your systems on-premises or on the cloud have fragments of customer data. What if you can have a Google-like interface that lets you scan the entire enterprise data landscape and find out what data exists where and is of what quality? So this is the first step in your journey. Step 2 focuses on acquiring that data and moving it into a single place. This means connecting all the data that lives in many different applications, say your customer relationship management, enterprise resource planning application, your marketing automation system, your customer service applications, etc., into a single central repository. This is where the action happens. This is also a very critical step where you acquire all this data into one single place. In step 3, MDM focuses on cleaning the data. A lot of different people enter data into your system with varying level of accuracy and completeness. It is critical to find the inconsistencies, inaccuracies, and incomplete data that populates your systems and improve its quality so that the people who need it can trust it. Step 4 focuses on enriching your master data profile. MDM can help connect to third-party data sources such as Dun & Bradstreet and Axiom to enrich your master data profile. This is an important step as it allows you to address incomplete data in your source systems. For example, you will also be able to create a rich customer profile from social data, clickstream data, call log data, and demographic data that helps you segment those customers by income, preferences, behaviors, and more. Step 5 focuses on matching the data you have gathered from different sources. Now that you have a clean, accurate data after cleansing, you need to be able to identify any duplication that exists within the data. This is easier said than done because your data will show many different variations as it has been entered by different people in different systems. For instance, match process helps you identify and flag these records for a customer named Greg Fenton, G. Fenton, Gregory Fenton, or Greg Fenton. Based on established business rules, MDM automatically identifies these differences and creates one single version of Greg. Step 6 is a merge process. In this step, the results of the match process are run through a resolve process where MDM automatically picks the most up-to-date and relevant data about Greg to create a trusted customer profile about him. It is intelligent and applies survivorship rules to create golden record that can be consumed by any application. This process also creates a set of tasks for data stewards when there is uncertainty around the true identity of the customer, in our case Greg. A data steward can then manually verify the results to ensure they appropriately merge or unmerge that record. Step 7 focuses on creating relationships. Once the customer is connected, cleansed, and mastered, you need to be able to relate it to other important data points you have in your database. This includes households, the products that customer purchased, the employees and the partners they are working with, etc. These connections come together in MDM to represent the complete view of a customer and their relationships. Step 8 focuses on security of the master data. Typical master data management system manages sensitive information about customer, patient, and suppliers, etc. MDM must protect this data from unauthorized access by masking sensitive data and allowing only the right users and systems to read this information. Step 9, we focus on delivery of the right information to the right applications so that the people who are using those applications can make the right decisions. This step ensures the flow of trusted, relevant, and governed data to and from every application. Step 10 focuses on an ongoing governance of the data management process to ensure we treat master data as a strategic asset. This step guarantees the trusted, secure, and governed actionable data becomes a lifeblood of your organization, and you have a repeatable, commonly agreed upon, and a sustainable framework across the enterprise for ongoing compliance and overall usefulness of your master data. This 10-step process is critical for creating a true 360-degree view of your master data. MDM provides a way for you to build a trusted profile that is up-to-date, accurate, complete, and relevant across the company. It removes the silo view and helps you extend beyond the application boundaries that exist. Here at Informatica, we are focused on providing an end-to-end solution that provides all the 10 capabilities we discussed earlier. The solution we offer is modular in nature and allows you to address the most pressing needs you have in your organization. The multi-domain nature of the product allows you to master customer, product, supplier, location, employee, asset, financial data, reference data, and many more in one single place. We've helped more than 1,500 companies today, and we have customers managing more than 150 domains using Informatica's master data management solution. The solution supports all the implementation styles and helps you develop your MDM solution in a modular fashion to ensure you are successful in addressing the most pressing business challenges you have to some of the complex challenges you want to tackle eventually. The 360 solutions we offer, such as Customer 360, Product 360, Supplier 360, etc., are built to accelerate your implementation time. These solutions are developed by Informatica and leverage key capabilities we have here, including in Informatica's MDM, Informatica Data Quality, Data Integration, Business Process Management, and Data Security to deliver everything you need in one single place, and also leverage the Intelligent Data Platform. MDM and 360 solutions leverage CLAIRE, a breakthrough metadata-driven artificial intelligence technology, and it applies machine learning to enterprise-wide technical, business, operational, and usage metadata to deliver greater intelligence in the form of recommendations, and automation. Here at Informatica, we keep a laser focus on our product strategy. Our strategy has 3 parts and it spans the full spectrum of your needs: traditional, big data, and cloud infrastructure. As always, we build best-of-breed products. You have relied on us that for years, and that will never change. But a product on its own is not enough. To drive transformation inside your organization, you need solutions. Your world is complex and you don't want to have to be your own system integrator. We are here to simplify and connect all the pieces together for you. And finally, you need a place to seamlessly bring your enterprise data together. A platform. We call it our intelligent data platform, and it's the piece that solidifies your digital transformation and powers your disruption. Informatica MDM can help you address many business challenges. These are just top 6 use cases we have come across very often. Informatica has helped many companies in each of these use cases to achieve real business value, providing us with the credibility and proof points when we are helping customers to put solutions in place. Hyatt uses Informatica MDM to deliver great customer experiences. They were able to increase revenue by 19% from their loyalty customers after they implemented MDM. Freddie Mac used Informatica MDM for governance and compliance use case, and they were able to change the way they view data in just few months after using our solution. Saint-Gobain has a great product data analytics use case. They were able to reduce returns for online orders by 25% thanks to the rich product information delivered with Informatica MDM Product 360. Unilever says they would not be able to sell product to its 2 billion consumers without Informatica. WinSupply grew through acquisition, and they say they were able to reduce the time it takes to integrate systems of a new acquisition from 3 months to just 5 days. GE Aviation has one of the unique use cases around MDM and Internet of Things data. They see a 50% reduction in fleet data management costs after they implemented a data management solution with Informatica. These are real examples of customers using MDM. We have over 1,500 customers today who use our master data management technology. We continue to lead as a leader in Gartner Magic Quadrant of Master Data Management Solutions, and many other analyst firms also echo that same message. Thank you for listening to this introduction session on MDM and our Informatica solution.